Let's learn how to find 1/8 of an inch on a ruler by first finding 1/4 inch and then dividing that in half. Here's a section of a ruler showing 1 inch divided into smaller measurements. The largest marks divide the inch into quarters. That's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 1 inch. Let's focus on finding 1/8 inch. First, let's locate 1/4 inch. Here it is, the first major mark after 0. Now, between each 1/4 inch mark, there's a slightly smaller mark that divides each quarter into 2 equal parts. These marks represent eighths of an inch. To understand why this works, let's look at the math. 1/8 is equal to half of 1/4. We can write this as a multiplication. 1/2 times 1/4 equals 1/8. So, to find 1/8 inch on the ruler, we first found 1/4 inch and then located the mark halfway between 0 and 1/4. This is our 1/8 inch mark. This is a useful skill when working with precise measurements. Remember, first find the 1/4 inch marks, then look for the smaller marks in between that divide each quarter into eighths. And that's how you find 1/8 of an inch on a ruler.